1161, we're cleared up, Bravo. So 1161, taxi Bravo Golf Alpha. Bravo Golf Alpha, Southwest 1161.
He's at the 11,000 now. Once we get down to C's, then continue on your route.
Sarah Caution, Thermal 777, short final, runway to right, clear to left.
Clear to land, Air Canada, step forward.
French B 510, proceed to spot 2, ground point 8.
Spot 2 and then we change with ground, French B 510, have a good one.
Right turns, depart the Golden Gate Bridge heading 220.
220, rapid strike on 665, 2000.
Set 1490, clear direct to 18.
1490. Tower Ashana, front to heavy, now Alpha, K2, Alpha 134.
59 heavy.
Spot 3, give way to outbound aircraft, then proceed to gate Alpha 13 Victor.
6 Alpha, United 1116.
566.
Asiana 212, hold at spot 3.
Hold spot 3, Ashana.
59 heavy, clear 28 left for Golf 9.
59 heavy, taxi Bravo to the ramp.
Bravo to the ramp, United 59 heavy.
Bus 20 monitor tower.
Our tower left.
The ground JetBlue 2416, right taxi.
Just verifies JetBlue 2416.
Affirm 2416, right taxi.
JetBlue 2416, runway 1 right, taxi Alpha Alpha 1.
Alpha 1 to 1 right, JetBlue 2416.
779, once JetBlue taxis away, you can push on Alpha.
Okay, taxi on Alpha. Push for Alpha after JetBlue up to 779. 00 United 45 heavy. Tower Ashana, front to enter by right side traffic, then bike to 1, K2 13 Victor.
Asiana 212, enter spot 1, then clear to your gate, proceed to your gate Alpha 13 Victor. Golf 9, Bravo 5, south line to the gate.
Bravo 5 south line to the gate, United 59 heavy.
For the Lima 2, Alaska.
So heavy, after JetBlue, taxi to 28 left via Alpha Hotel, hold short 1 left.
50 Canada 566. Fort Papa Victor, contact northbound approach 133.905.
So, I will expect vector, sir, Canada 566, and we're going to be a little high for that bodega restriction as well.
Zero heavy, 945 heavy.
Cross runway 28 left with a contact ground.
Okay, Echo, cross 28 left, contact ground, Air Canada 741.
Thank you, 1 sweet solid up. Fast lighting 160, climb maintain flight level 190.
bound for 055 Zulu for California from their service information on flight service frequency. 260 to advise, so we're in 2244.
646, descending via the Bodega 3 out of 18.8. We have information hotel. Check the visual 28 right, thanks. Exit jet 646.
Tower, good day.
Air Tower, French B, 51 kilo, good evening, sir.
Ground Aircan 741, Echo for gate Delta 14.
Aircan 741, San Francisco ground. I'm showing a different gate, so turn right on Bravo, hold short of Delta, and call company.
It looks like gate Delta 12 for Aircan 741.
Aircan 741, turn right on Bravo, short of Delta.
Right, Bravo, short Delta, Aircan 741.
Bravo,
run and cleared into the Bravo, 5043 Juliet. Remains below 2000.
4 Juliet, if you guys do have another radio, you might want to switch over to that one. That one's almost unreadable. 2416, San Francisco 71, right on the way.
1 right, left away, jump to 2416. How do you reach 5043 Juliet?
I got the loud clear now.
Roger. 14 Juliet.
Aircraft information, India is now current altimeter 3002.
Are you 9 at 45 Heavy's on final 28 left.
Yeah, 45 Heavy San Francisco 728 left or left.
Still is on 28 left, United 45 Heavy.
Aircan 741, taxi Delta Alpha.
Delta Alpha, Aircan 741.
Hotel United 1878, level 220 in India.
Hold short of 1 right, French B, 510.
The rest of the guy's getting too close, but he's just slowly pushing back now. It's like I think changed his mind.
Okay, see there, just to verify you're going to 5 Bravo?
5 Bravo, correct. Correct vector for 2 right, thank you. Executive 646. 65, contact at 127.45.
Right, continue via Lima and Foxtrot.
Cross 1 right at Hotel, and then we continue Lima and Foxtrot, French B, 51 kilo.
People only 1 right, on them away, traffic on 1 right.
Line up and mid runway 1 right, American 164.
Approach lock at 41, if it's any help, we have to bridge in at 45. 3501, 2416, contact North departure.
First departure, W2416, good day.
66, Delta Fox 5.
Foxtrot 5 amp, hold short Bravo 4. You'll be the outbound company 777 from spot 10, and then you can proceed to parking at plot 6 and remain in frequency. Bravo 4, wait for heavy opposite direct. Thank you. 990 heavy, spot 10, contact ground. Have a good flight.
Over to ground, spot 10. 2 ready.
Super Golf 2, proceed to spot 9 and remain in frequency.
Stay with you.
Native 990 heavy, spot 10 with India.
Yeah, 990 heavy, runway 1, correction runway 2 at left, taxi Alpha Golf, full turret 1 left.
Alright, Alpha Golf, full turret 1 left. 990.
And via PDC, and now have a revision for you. Yeah, so that's Bruce Digital,
Spot 8, contact ground. Thanks for help. Have a good day.
1 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 1 right, American 161.
Where is the badge ready?
46 heading 100 out of 10 2 for back. Prime Nevada truck into the Pontius, Wilson 3216, Legend 20 Victor.
20 Victor, reback is correct, and you can expect runway 1 right for departure.
Thank you very much, expecting 1 right.
You're welcome.
2, this open, give me a call when you approach Bravo 3.
Okay, we're coming around the corner, we're almost Bravo 2 right now.
Hold short Bravo 4. Give me this company 777 pushing from Golf 10 to the south line, and then it'll be north line to Golf 2 and remain in frequency.
Okay, so hold short of Bravo 4, you said the guy's pushing from which one?
10. They're pushing to the south line. Thank you. United 948 Heavy Ram. Heads up to Push Grove Dock Company inbound 777. They're going to hold short Bravo 4, but they will be entering the north line for Golf 2. Just a heads up.
Digit 646. 779.
Been heavy on Tango across my left to contact ground.
Clear across to left at Tango ground, United 27 heavy.
Runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
1 right, clear takeoff from 779. Now it's a blue 616. Ground party, this is 1410.
Yeah, it's 1410.
Roger. Hey, you let us go 5 early?
Yeah. 1116, San Francisco County, 1 right, line up away, traffic anywhere.
1 right, line up away, United 1116. Got heavy exit, clear left to Tango for Echo 11.
Yeah, 2010 heavy, taxi to Kilo Alpha.
Kilo Alpha,
5230 ramp, give way to inbound United 777 on the north line. They're headed to Golf 2. Then push approved north line.
San Francisco Tower, traffic on the 1s. Crossway coming to be a heavy A350 departing the fairway as you guys arrive. Runway 28 right, clear to land. Line 28 right, clear Canada 566.
At 45 heavy ramp, A affirmative, it'll be north line to Golf 2.
Other facing 2 miles, contact NorCal 127.0.
Contact NorCal at 127.0, 43 Juliet. APC. NorCal departure, Skyhawk 5043 Juliet, 1800.
Hold short, the runway 1 right.
Okay, cross 1 left, hold short, 1 right on Golf United, 990.
267, runway 1 left, taxi Alpha Hotel Bravo.
Alpha Hotel Bravo, 1 left, open 2267.
Kilo Heavy, runway 28 left, line up and away.
Line up and away, 28 left, first speed by 1 Kilo Heavy.
Traffic's going to hold on 28 left, and the Heavy's going to hold for you downfield there as well. Runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
1 right, clear for takeoff, United 1116.
Class 1341 on Echo, contact ground.
Echo, ground, class 1341.
2644, turn on to Echo, hold short of runway 28 left.
Echo 2 left, hold short of runway 2644.
Class 20, runway 1 right, line up and away.
Runway 1 right, line up and away.
87,000, you have the bridge and the airport.
Alpha, Alpha 1.
1 right, Alpha 1, horizon 2110.
Runway 28 left, clear for takeoff.
It's takeoff, 28 left, first speed 51 Kilo Heavy.
Markel approach, Skyhawk 5043 Juliet, turning around for cloud layer and requesting flight rolling back to Palo Alto. Visual, runway 28 right. 1116, contact North departure.
Flight United 1116, good night.
Jet 646, San Francisco Tower, caution turbulence, heavy A350 is partner parallel, there's traffic on runway 1, runway 28 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, exit 646.
948 Heavy, south line, spot 9, contact ground. Have a good flight.
Phoenix 7.
Let's go ground, United 948 Heavy, spot 9, taxi with India.
Yeah, 948 Heavy, San Francisco ground, running 28 left, taxi Alpha Golf, hold short 1 left.
Alpha Golf, hold short 1 left, taxi 28 left, United 948.
San Francisco Tower on 120.14.
51 Kilo, have a good one.
Runway 1 right, clear for takeoff.
1 right, clear for takeoff, Alaska 20.
3392, San Francisco 71 right, line up and away.
Line up and away, 1 right, Skywest 3392.
616, you'll be the next one out of the Skywest. Sun Tango, you guys cross wind 2, that's one building this side and contact ground. Sun Tango, cross 26 left, and we'll contact ground 121.83, Canada 566. So 2267, running 1 left, line up away.
1 left, line up away, Delta 22.
Select 1341.
Alaska 1341, where's your gate again?
Alpha 4.
Alaska 1341, and round to enter spot 1 and proceed to gate.
Hey, spot 1 to the gate, Alaska 1341. 14. Air Canada 566, San Francisco ground taxi via Delta Alpha. Delta and Alpha, Air Canada 566.
Altimeter 3001, maintained VFR below 2000, 3 south and west of Highway 101.
VFR at or below 2000 and south and west of 101. 430. India, ready to taxi. Discuss 5330, San Francisco ground and 1 right, taxi via Alpha 1. Runway 1 right, taxi via Alpha 1, Skyway 53 steady.
NorCal, Alaska 20, get it.
Well, 11, with information to India, we're ready for push.
Contact ramp 127.57.
American 2644, ramp, enter spot 1, Mike 3 to your gate.
1 Mike 3. 1878, Janny.
United 1878, Sam 6 to Daria, crossway turbulence, heavy 777 while final for the parallel, and heavy company 777 departing the parallel as well, wind 280, 17 or 83 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 28 right, United 1878.
4, ramp, push Shepherd, Mike 3, for your reference, American coming in to Bravo 27.
Mike 3, and what spot are we going to? That was 3426.
Bravo 16.
Disconnect 6, Bravo 16, W34.
48 Heavy, monitor tower, good day.
Good day, United 948 Heavy.
Hey, traffic will depart north.
Clear left final for wait, United 990 Heavy.
Push Spirit, 5 Bravo Delta, 97 Delta.
Pacific 392, RNS 6, runway 1 right, clear